Greetings. I warmly welcome you all today to what is deemed the final consultation workshop on the draft National Security Strategy. It's going to be short. I'm looking forward to your enthusiastic participation and encourage your genuine, well-considered and frank discussion, comments, inputs, opinions and views today. Personally, I'm very happy because I'm becoming much more certain as an ordinary citizen that the country is definitely heading towards becoming a safe, secure, stable, and prosperous Fiji. The aim of this document, as you already noted from the draft, is to bring about our safety, security, stability, and prosperity. These are essential end states to our future generations and, of course, for our nation. Let me urge you that after this workshop, when you return to your organization, it is vital that you spread and share this message to your clients, members of your families, and to members of the wider community, domestically and regionally. During the first sitting of Parliament in September 2014, in my maiden speech, I committed that the Ministry would review our country's national security and defense sector and formulate and establish a new and appropriate security and defense policy. These workshops marks an important milestone in the security and defense review process that emanated from the speech and the following consultative progress. This most challenging, mammoth, and invaluable process is now nearing completion. I will not delve further into the stages and major activities of the review process because that will be covered as part of this workshop program. Let me state, however, that this national security strategy is the first ever for Fiji. Our previous documents were like those of other countries, are referred to as white papers and not security strategy. Fiji's national security strategy is the overarching policy documents of our nation to which will be linked the defense, police, immigration and intelligence white papers. It is invaluable that we are here from across the country to review, understand, strengthen, and take ownership of our country's draft national security strategy. The first security workshop for government was held on the 20th of February 2015 at the Grand Pacific Hotel and was officially opened by the Honorable Prime Minister. And in his opening address, he said, I may quote and stress, we need to redouble our efforts to keep Fiji safe, to bolster the security of our people, the security of our sovereign nation, and the security of our resources. Fiji is determined not to become an easy target. We will defend ourselves with all the force we can muster. And I want to send a strong message to the world of our determination to do so, unquote. The Honorable Prime Minister went on further to state, and I quote, we are not only being more vigilant ourselves about the national security across the board, but we are also expanding our cooperation with other governments and law enforcement agencies. No one country can operate in isolation. So it is even more important than ever for us to work closely with neighboring governments and the rest of the international community in a unified and holistic manner, unquote. Ladies and gentlemen, the review process is now into its fourth and final stage, which means that the submission and implementation stage where all the 5 security documents will be tabled to the Security Council, in Cabinet, and in Parliament for approval, and most importantly, for implementation and continuous reviewing and updating. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I wish to leave with you some concepts and lessons. The attitude that I want us to instill within ourselves is security consciousness. Security consciousness. It is our obligation to be observant and have discernment of your immediate and your domestic environments and the region and international affairs that will affect the local environment today and the future. This workshop requires you to be transparent and straightforward with your contribution to the draft. In turn, your support will help lift Fiji profile in par with the international security level. I wish to congratulate all of you in advance of your valued efforts today, and please enjoy your workshops, and thank you once again for accepting the invitation. Ladies and gentlemen, it is at this juncture that I have the honor to declaring this workshop officially open. Nawaleu, may God bless you all. Thank you.